Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a little controversy is going on about Google Chrome that is downloading a massive 4 gigabyte Gemini Nano AI model on devices when you have Chrome installed. And what makes a lot of people a little mad is the fact that it does it without your consent. So Google has not yet reacted to this, but apparently it happens on Chrome if you have an Android device, if you have it on a Mac. Ubuntu Linux users have found that that gigabyte file is also there in Windows also. And we're not totally clear as to what exactly they do with the file, since a lot of the AI stuff that Chrome does is done online anyway. So, if you want to make sure that that file is deleted from your PC or not downloaded, what you need to do is go to the address bar in Google Chrome and go into the flags. So, Chrome colon // flags. And here you will search for something that is guide. Whoops. Guide on devices. We're going to bring you enables optimization guide on device. So you search for guide on device. So by default, and default in this case means that it downloads the massive 4 gigabytes file. You can just go and say disable. And this will, in effect, stop the download and stop the remove the 4 gigabyte nano AI Gemini thing from your device. So you can actually just say disabled and then relaunch your browser. And that is something that a lot of users really aren't happy about. Imagine users that are on limited data also that could have suddenly a 4 gigabyte file downloaded and wondering where it comes from. So you can do that, and of course go to the file, the flags, and then go to find enables optimization guide on device. Disable it, make sure it's disabled, and then relaunch the browser. And this should also at the same time remove the 4 gigabyte file. And if you had not downloaded the 4 gigabyte file yet, it will at least not download it now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.